Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how you can use the Shrinkwrap modifier. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here you can see here I have 6 cans and I'm going to wrap the plastic on top of these cans. So I have already created that plastic shape. So that is my plastic shape. You can see open both sides. That is nothing, that is only a cube with the 2 holes and lots of subdivisions, which is obviously we required. Okay, so let's get started tutorial. So first I will select that my plastic okay, and I will add the shrink wrap modifier, and here is option is target. So our target is the cans. So I'll click that eyedropper tool and then click that can, and right now it's looking so weird, but it's done good job. So here is the option is offset. So offset is basically do to wrap with the shape perfectly. So I'm going to take 01. Yeah, I think 01 is perfect. And right now you can see here is a straight line, means here is no curve and no smoothness. You can see here is a very low poly kind of low poly meshes. So I'm going to add the smooth modifier as well on it. So right now it's looking little bit good, but I also need to switch the shade smooth. Yeah, it's looking now cool. So now I will add the thickness on that plastic wrap. So I will go to the here and add the solidify modifier, and I will take that width 3. I think 3 is enough. Yeah, and last I will add the subdivision surface modifier. Yeah guys, it's looking cool. It's perfectly wrapped with that cans, and I'm just going to show that render view. So yeah, here you can see that plastic is wrapped very well. I'm going to show you that render view also. So this is that render view. You can see here that plastic wrap is perfectly wrapped with that. And guys, you can also download this project file in the description. I will put that link. You can download this, it's free. And thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care, stay home.